I want to talk about storytelling and why it's important for public health. Public health is often viewed as the people with the data, but data doesn't necessarily speak to our stakeholders. It's important for people in public health to be able to tell their stories because if we're not telling the stories of why public health is important and what we do, who is going to tell those stories? One thing that we all can do as public health professionals is tell our family members about what we do as public health professionals and why it's important. I'll be honest, when I first started my career, this is something I struggled with. I couldn't tell my grandmother exactly what I did when I worked at a local health department. But it's something I've worked on and something I'm trying to, talk with my parents about, talk with my grandmother, who's now 100, about what I do and why it's important. And it's a good way to be able to practice telling the story of why public health is important and what we do. In KHI's Transforming Public Health for the 21st Century blog, we have a collaborative storytelling model where we work with external authors often. We're looking for those personal stories that are unique to these individuals, those stories that only they could tell in only their way. So one of the ways we want to extend the blog is we're thinking about launching a public health storytelling competition. It's open to, we're looking for anyone can participate in the public health storytelling competition, but we expect that public health professionals will have important stories to tell, as well as public health students. We expect those two groups to have a lot of stories to tell, but we also expect community members to have stories of how public health has impacted their lives. So this Public Health Week, we hope to hear from you in the future with our public health storytelling contest. Please reach out to me if you want to be involved in our Transforming Public Health for the 21st Century blog. We're excited to continue to celebrate. You'll be hearing from other colleagues at KHI about the importance and value of public health.